Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, 7.5 exercise. So, 16th question number. So, 16th question is what? 1 divided by x, x to the power of n plus 1. Hint is, so multiplied and divided by x to the power of n minus 1 and put x to the power of n is equal to t. So, what question is? Question is x to the power of n minus 1, x to the power of 1 divided by x to the power of n plus 1. Hint is divide and multiplication by x to the power of n. So, is equal to x to the power of n minus 1 multiplication x to the power of n minus 1, x as it is, x to the power of n plus 1. So, is equal to x to the power of n minus 1 as it is, x to the power of here is plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, again is minus 1. Means x to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, remaining again x to the power of n plus 1. So, as it is. Again here is put what? How much value is put? So, put t is equal to x to the power of n. So, right, x to the power of n is put. So, dt is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. You know already here is dx, here is integration. X to the power of n minus 1 dx, x to the power of n minus 1 dx is equal to dt divided by n is equal to x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. So put the value of dt. So x to the power of n minus 1 dx can be written as dt divided by n. Again x to the power of n. Here is x to the power of n is equal to how much value is t. Again t, x to the power of n is equal to t plus 1. Means 1 by n is as it is. So integration dt divided by t into t plus 1 into t. Again power is 1. 1 is means by using a resolving partial fraction. So consider how much? 1 divided by t into t plus 1, right? So is equal to a divided by t plus b divided by t plus 1. So is equal to a into t plus 1 plus b into t divided by t into t plus 1. So t plus 1 get cancelled, is equal to 1 is equal to how much? A into t plus 1 plus b into t. How much here is 2 brackets. So t is equal to 0 one times. Another one is t plus 1 is equal to 0. It implies t is equal to minus 1. So this equation is what? So this equation is 1 called. So this equation is 2 called. This equation is 3 called. So put the value of t is equal to 0 first. 1 is equal to where equation 2 implies, equation 3 implies a into t means how much? 0 plus 1. So b into t. T means how much? 0. A is equal to 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. 1. 1 into a. So a is equal to how much? 1. Next another one is t is equal to minus 1 put. So 1 is equal to a into t means minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus of 1. So 1 is equal to minus get cancel, plus get cancel, minus b. So b is equal to how much? Minus 1. So a and b put the value of where? A and b put the value of where? So equation number 2. So equation number 2 implies equation 1 is how much? So 1 divided by t into t plus 1 is equal to a is equal to how much? 1 value 1 divided by t plus b value minus 1 divided by t plus 1. So this value equation 1 implies. So equation 1 implies, so 1 divided by n dt divided by t into t plus 1. So 1 divided by n integration. So dt you take here. So 1 divided by t into 1 plus t can be written as 1 divided by t plus into minus 1 divided by t plus 1. So 1 by n integration 1 divided by t into dt minus 1 divided by t plus 1 into dt. So 1 divided by n, 1 by t integration is how much? 1 by t integration is how much? So 1 by t integration is log of t minus again log of t plus 1 So plus of c is a integration constant 1 by n. So log of t is equal to how much? So where you put the t is equal to x to the power of n. So x to the power of n minus log of 1 plus x to the power of n plus of c. So 1 by n log of x to the power of n 1 plus x to the power of n. So plus of c is a integration constant. So next question is so next question is next question is how much? Which 17th question. So cos x divided by 1 divided by 1 minus cos x. Sorry, 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x. Hint is sin x is equal to t. sin x is equal to how much? T values. So sin x is equal to t means you put the so first of all. So hint t is equal to sin x. So dt is equal to sin x derivative is cos x into dx, right? So now question is integration cos x divided by 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x into dx. So integration. So cos x into dx can be written as dt divided by 1 minus sin x is equal to how much? T. Again 2 minus t. Again by using the resolving partial fraction. So 1 divided by 1 minus t into 2 minus t is equal to a divided by 1 minus t plus b divided by 2 minus t. So equation number 1. So equation number 2. So 1 is equal to a into 2 minus t plus b into t minus 1 minus t whole divided by 1 minus t 2 minus t 1 minus t 2 minus t. So 1 minus t, 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Remaining is 1. 1 is equal to a into 2 minus t, 2 minus t plus b into 1 minus t. So here is how much brackets? 2 brackets. 1 minus t is equal to 0. It implies t is equal to how much? 1. 2 minus t is equal to 0. It implies t is equal to 2. So put the value of t values 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is equal to put the value of how much? 1 times 1 put 1 times 2 put. Where this equation? So 1 is equal to. So this equation is called 3. So equation number 3 implies so 1 is equal to a. So t is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1. So 1 minus t means 1 minus t is equal to 0. This get cancelled. This one is so 1 is equal to a into 1. So a is equal to how much? 1 values. So next equation number 3 implies so equation first one is enough. Second and t is equal to 2. 1 is equal to a into 2 minus t is equal to how much? 0 plus b into 1 minus 2. So it implies 1 is equal to b minus of 1. It implies b is equal to minus of 1. So a is equal to 1. Again b is equal to minus of 1. So a and b put where? In equation number 2 implies. Equation 2 implies 1 divided by 1 minus t 2 minus t. A is equal to 1. 1 minus t plus b is equal to plus of minus b divided by 2 minus t. So now integrate this values 1 divided by 1 minus t into 2 minus t into dt is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus t into dt plus into minus minus plus into minus minus integration 1 divided by 2 minus t into dt. So now integrating is log of 1 minus t minus log of 2 minus t plus of c, where c is an integration constant. Log of 1 minus t is equal to how much? T is equal to sin t. So t is equal to sin x minus log of 2 cos x plus of c. C is an integration constant. This can also written as log of 1 minus sin x divided by 2 minus 2 minus also sin x. So 2 minus also sin x, sin x, sin x plus c, where c is a integration constant. So here power is, here is 2 power, that's why you take a ax plus b. So you write ax plus b divided by 1 bracket x square plus 3 x square plus 3 plus cx plus d divided by x square plus of 4. So now LCM, here is x square plus 1, again x square plus 3, x square plus 2, again x square plus 4. So LCM is how much? X square plus 3 into x square plus 4. So multiplication, cross multiplication, ax plus b into x square plus 4 plus cx plus d into, so x square plus of 3. So this one get cancelled, this one get cancelled, remaining is x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. So this is a ax plus b into x square plus 4 plus cx plus d into x square plus of 3. So now multiplication, this whole terms, this equation number 1 called, one only one called. So x square into x square how much? X to the power of 4. X square into 2, 2x square, 1 into x square, x square, 1 into 2, 2, right? A into x square, a x to the power of 3, a x 4ax plus bx square plus 4b plus cx cube plus 3cx plus dx square plus 3d. So you take x to the power of 4, 2x square, 1x square, 3x square plus of 2. So here is x cube term, here is x cube term. So a plus c into x cube, right? Right. So here is x square terms, here is x square terms. Means b plus d into x square terms, right? Plus, plus, here is x term, here is x term. 4a plus 3c into x, again 4b plus 3d, 4b plus 3d. So equating highest coefficient is x to the power of 4. Here is not, here is you take, consider as here is highest power. So here is present or absent in matter, not a matter, but here is highest power. Equating power, equating power of x cube, x square, x and constant 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So equating, here is x to the power of, here is absent, absent means 0 is equal to 0. So first one is, next x cube, here is x cube, here is absent, absent means 0 is equal to a plus c, one term. Again x cube, x square is, so 3 is equal to b plus d. Next to x coefficient is absent, absent is equal to 4a plus 3c. Next to 2, 2 is equal to 4b plus 3d, right? So a is equal to how much? Minus c, means c is equal to minus a, which both are same. So again here is 4a plus 3c, 4a plus 3c means here is same. So here is bd, here is bd, means you take these two equations. So b plus d is equal to 3, again 4b plus 3d is equal to 2. So multiplication here is not cancelled, that why multiplication of 4, multiplication of 1, because b coefficient is multiplication 4 whole terms and b coefficient is multiplication is 1 whole terms. So multiplied, so 4b plus 4d is equal to 12. So again 4b plus 3d is equal to 2. One multiplication is as it is. So minus, minus, minus. These two cancel. 4d plus 3d means how much? 4d plus 3d means 1d. 1d is equal to 10. So d is equal to how much? 10. D means you take these equations. So b plus d is equal to 3. B as it is plus d is equal to 10 is equal to 3. So b is equal to 7. So b is equal to 7 means d is equal to how much? D is equal to 10. So C is equal to A. These two take with the equation 3A plus 3C. 4A plus 3C is equal to 0. So A is equal to how much? C is equal to minus A. Or A is equal to minus C. 4A. So plus 4. A is equal to minus C plus 3 is equal to 0. How much? Minus of C is equal to 0. So minus C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0 means A is equal to also 0 because A. So A, B, C, D value you got. You got means put the value of here in equation number. So A is equal to 0 x plus B is equal to 7 divided by x square plus 3 plus C value is 0 x plus D value is 10 divided by x square plus. So now integration 7 divided by x square plus 3 into dx plus 10 dx divided by x square plus 4. So 7 divided by x square plus under root 3 into whole square into dx plus 10 into dx. So write the 7 is outside easily. So x square plus 2 square, right? Because here is 3 square. You can convert the square term. That's why root and square at a time apply. So 7. Here is a square plus x square plus a square means 1 by a means root 3, tan inverse of x by a, x means a means root 3. So plus 10, 1 by a means 2, tan inverse x divided by 2 plus of c is a integration constant. 7 divided by under root 3, tan inverse x divided by under root 3. So plus of 5 tan inverse of x divided by so 2 plus of c where c is a integration constant. So here is 10 b is equal to 3 minus 10 means minus 7 here. So put the value of minus 7, right? Minus 7 here is minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 finish. So next question is so 19th question 2x divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3. So x square ax plus m a square means ax square plus b x square plus 1. So cx plus d divided by x square plus 3. So 2x divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 is equal to LCM x square plus 1 into x square plus 3. So ax plus b into x square plus 3 into x square plus 1 cross multiplication. This one get cancelled, this one get cancelled. This equation is called 1. So 2x d is equal to a into x a into x ax cube plus bx square. This is b ax cube plus here is 3 ax cube plus 3ax square plus bx square 3ax only 5x square 3ax again bx square plus 3b plus cx cube plus cx plus dx square plus d. So 2x is equal to, so x cube terms one side you take x cube a plus c into x cube plus here is x square, here is x square means b plus d into x square. Here is x, another one is x here means plus 3a plus c into x, right? Plus constant term is 3b plus d 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So equating equating coefficient x cube x square x and constant. So x cube coefficient is 0 means a plus c, right? Next, So x square is also absent. Absent means b plus d is equal to 0. X coefficient is 2. 2 is equal to 3a plus c. Constant coefficient is 0. 3b plus d. Right. Right. So a is equal to how much? Minus c. C is equal to minus a. Next, b is equal to minus d. D is equal to minus b. Next, 2 into is equal to 3a. C is equal to how much? C is equal to minus a. So minus a. 2, 3a minus into plus minus, 3a minus a, 2a. So a 2 to get cancelled, a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 means c is equal to how much? Minus 1. So b plus d. B plus d means here is, I think, 0 values. So 0, 3 into b plus d is equal to how much? Minus of d is equal to minus of b means 0 to b. So b is equal to 0 means d is equal to how much? Zeros. So you put the value of a, b, c, d values in equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies a is equal to how much? A is equal to 1. 1 into x plus b. B is equal to how much? B, 0. 0 divided by x square plus 1. C means how much? Minus 1. Plus minus 1 x. D is equal to 0. X square plus of 3. So x divided by x square plus 1 square integration dx plus into minus minus 1 into x divided by x square plus 3 into dx. So here is, so put here again x into dx divided by x square plus 1 square plus x divided by x square plus under root 3 whole square into dx. So right, put x square plus 1 is equal to t. So 2x dx is equal to dt. So x into dx is equal to dt divided by 2. So same, here is also x square plus under root 3 whole square is equal to t. 2x dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to dt divided by 2. So here is minus, you write minus easily. So first one is, so x dx can be written as dt divided by 2. dt divided by 2 into x square plus 1 can be written as t minus x into dx can be written as dt divided by 2 into x square plus means again of here is also t. So dt means 1 by 2 taken common, log of t minus 1 by 2 taken common, log of t plus of c. So 1 by 2 is taken common, log t means how much? Here is first term t is equal to how much? X square plus 1 minus log of second term in t is considered also. So x square plus under root 3 whole square plus of c. So 1 by 2 as it is, log of, so x square plus 1 divided by x square plus under root 3 whole square plus of c. So c is the integration constant, root 3 and square is get cancellation also. So doing the answer. So 1 divided by x to the power of 4 minus 1. So divide and multiplication x cube. Divide and multiplied by x cube. So 1 divided by x to the power of 4 minus 1 into dx can be written as x to the power of 3, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 4 minus 1. Right? So here put the value of, put t is equal to x to the power of 4. So dt is equal to 3x 4x3 into dx. So into dx. So 1 divided by x3 dx. x3 dx can be written as, so dt divided by 4x3 dx. dt divided by 4. 1 divided by x to the power of 4. x to the power of 4 is equal to t. Again t minus. So 1 by 4 is constant as it is. dt divided by t into t minus 1. So it implies, so this considers only a divided by t plus b divided by t minus 1. So it implies a into t minus 1 plus b into t divided by t into t minus 1. So this one get cancelled, this one get cancelled. So 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 just consider as 1 is equal to a into t minus 1 plus b into t. So put the value of t minus 1 is equal to 0 means t is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 0. So this equation is where? So this equation number 1, this equation number 2, this equation number 3. Put the value of 3 equation 1, 3 equal to a into t minus 1 is equal to how much? 0 plus b into t1. So means b is equal to how much? 1. So next equation number 3 implies, so 1 is equal to, so t is equal to how much? 0 means bt is equal to 0. So a into t means 0 minus 1. It implies a is equal to minus of 1. So a value, b value put in equation number where? Equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies 1 divided by 4 dt divided by t into t minus 1 is equal to integration. So integration applies. A is equal to minus 1 divided by t into dt plus b is equal to 1 divided by t minus 1 into dt. So 1 by t minus 1 by t integration is log of t plus log of t minus 1 plus of c. C is an integration constant. Minus log means this can be written as log of t minus 1 divided by t plus of c, where c is an integration constant, because here is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So because here is minus, that's why log m minus log n, apply the formula. Log m minus log n means log m by n formula. So here is put e to the power of 21 question 1 divided by e to the power of x minus 1, hint e to the power of x is equal to t. So e to the power of x into dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt divided by e to the power of x. So now write 1 divided by e to the power of x minus 1 into dx. So dx is equal to how much? Dt divided by e to the power of x. 1 divided by e to the power of x means t minus 1. So 1 divided by t minus 1 e to the power of x can be written as again t. So t. So this is again by using partial fraction method. So consider a divided by t minus 1 plus b divided by t. Again same this process. So 1 divided by t into t minus 1. T into t minus 1 means you know a value how much? A is equal to how much? Same procedure. This is formula same. 1 divided a divided by t or b divided by t. So a is equal to how much? Opposite values. Here is a divided by t minus 1. Here is b divided by t minus 1. Here is a by t. Here is b. Means you take the value of opposite. Opposite means b is equal to a is equal to plus 1. B is equal to minus 1. So put the value here. So a means 1 value 1 divided by t minus 1 into dt. So b value is minus 1 divided by t integration dt. So log of t minus 1 minus log of t. So log of t plus c is equal to log of t minus 1 divided by t plus of c. C is the integration constant. Same process apply. So t is equal to what? So log of t is equal to how much? So t is equal to e to the power of x minus 1 divided by e to the power of x plus 1 c. Here is also t is equal to 1 by 4 log of t means t is equal to how much? Where is x to the power of 4? So x to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by x to the power of 4 plus c. C is a integration constant.